Installing, arming, disarming, paying monthly fees, and dealing with false alarms are all things that are tied to monitored security systems, which may cause you to wonder if home security systems are worth the inherent hassle. This is a good question to ask as you consider how you can best protect your valuables and your loved ones. There are a lot of elements to think about when it comes to home security systems, and it includes how the security system could benefit you and your family. The team here at Lothian Locksmiths is here to help you answer any questions you may have around home security or alarm systems. With over 15 years' experience in the field and also being local to the West Lothian areas, you can trust in us for good advice. We provide a wide range of locksmith services for all residential properties and homes across the Lothians and central Scotland. All our locksmiths are highly trained and qualified to provide you with all your home security needs. From basic services such as rekeying, lock repair and lock installation to more complex jobs like sliding door or garage door repair or installation, we are guaranteed to have what you need. Here are a few reasons how that is true. 1. Protects valuables. This is, of course, the benefit most people immediately think of. We likely all know someone who has lost electronics, jewelry, or other high-value items due to a home invasion. The tragedy is compounded when the item is an irreplaceable family heirloom. While using a home safe can help protect irreplaceable items, a home security system has an alarm that can scare off many would-be burglars and can notify the local authorities if someone does attempt to break in. 2. Deters crime. A 2009 study by RUTGERS found that, as the number of home security systems increased in an area, the number of residential robberies decreased in that area, even for people who didn't have their own security system. Having a security system not only protects you, but helps deter crime and creates a safer neighborhood for everyone. 3. Allows remote access to your home. Modern security systems now allow you to remotely monitor what's happening in your home from your phone when you're not there. Depending on your provider, you can monitor security cameras installed throughout your home, as well as control smart thermostats, smart keyless door locks, smart lighting, and other smart devices in every room of your home. 4. Lowers homeowners' insurance. Yes, you may be paying a monthly fee for your security system, but having the system in your home can lower your homeowner's insurance by up to 20%. That, combined with instant access to police and emergency responders, makes an alarm system a pretty good deal. 5. Notifies you of fire or gas problems. You can opt to receive notifications if your smoke alarms or carbon monoxide detectors go off when you're away from home. Depending on the provider, you can even set it up so authorities are instantly notified of these emergencies. 6. Helps keep tabs on kids. This is another great aspect of home automation. If you're at work, you can use your provider's mobile app to watch what's happening in your home via video doorbells and other security cameras, so you'll know who your teens are inviting over when you're away. If you have electronic door locks, you can even remotely unlock them to let the kids in after school, so they don't have to worry about carrying, and potentially losing, a key to the house. 7. Improves electricity management. Many security companies, such as Vivint, offer top-quality smart home products like smart locks, video doorbells and smart thermostats, as part of their systems. If you've forgotten to change your thermostat before leaving on a trip, these gadgets allow you to control the thermostat on any web-enabled device. Likewise, if you think you left your curling iron plugged in, you can turn it off the outlet right from any of your devices. This works as a great tool to turn lights on and off while you're on vacation to help give the home the appearance that someone is there. 8. Makes room for peace of mind. The sense of security and comfort you gain with an alarm system is perhaps the greatest benefit of all. Next to being safe, the confidence of feeling safe will help you be a more productive, healthy, and focused person. Adding a security system to your home gives you an extra layer of defense against any potential intruders. Whether you rent or own, you can enjoy the benefits that come with having a security system. Explore your options by comparing the best home security systems in the country and find the right provider for your security needs and goals. As we have a local team that live within minutes of Lothian areas, whether you need a Bathgate Locksmith, Armadale Locksmith, Livingston Locksmith, or further afield towards Glasgow Locksmiths or Edinburgh Locksmiths, we provide high-quality services and competitive rates. It's no wonder Lothian Locksmiths is so well regarded within the locksmith industry and the Lothian areas. Did you like this security news article? There you have it, some free expert locksmith news that will help make sure you are up to date with the latest around security and to help make your home more secure. If you are in need of any locksmith services in any of these areas, West Lothian, Bathgate, Broxburn, Armadale, Whitburn, Livingston, Harthill, Edinburgh or Glasgow, do contact Lothian Locksmiths. You can do this by calling us on 0791 682 2146. You can as well send an email to support@lothianlocksmiths.com. Or reach out to us on our West Lothian Locksmiths Facebook page, and do check out our YouTube channel for some more video content on our Lothian Locksmiths YouTube channel.